If you are planning to run your own startup, please don't. Before knowing these 5 facts, everyone wants to run their own startup. You may have heard these phrases: be your own boss, build the next unicorn. But let me tell you a brutal truth: it is very, very hard. Trust me, I learned it the hard way, building my own startup. Halox, stay connected. Welcome back to the channel. This is your host Prashant Sharma from RoboCircuits, and in this video I will teach you from my own journey of startup what you should keep in mind before starting your own venture. So watch this video till the end if you are planning for a startup. I started off by making touch switches using ESP32. I am good at embedded, I am good at PCB designing, and I am good at circuit designing. But when it came to make a product, I hit a wall because when I was searching about the product and how I have to make it, then I came to know that I have to make a mobile app, a cloud server, an MQTT server, and many things more. So, what could I do? There were two methods. I learned everything by myself and then implement it. But it would take a lot of time. So, teamwork was the most important thing. The first lesson I learned for the startup. I talked to my friends, took their help, and it makes things really easy. If you are going for a startup, make a team. Please make a team. You alone cannot do everything. Running startups require a lot of finances. Fortunately, Kurukshetra University was there to help us. You may also find some investors, or maybe your college can help you. So reach out to them, reach out for incubation centers, or maybe some government schemes. Because believe me, you have to hire people, you have to purchase things, you have to register your company, and there are a lot of finances involved. And if you can take a small course or something you can learn online about finances, that would really help you. Initially, we have spent a lot of money, we have wasted a lot of money. So, it is a hard truth. If you are going for a startup, you need to look for financial skills as well. As enthusiasts, we knows how to make circuits, we know good electronics. But a product is not just electronics. A product must be user friendly. The people who are going to use your product may not be technically sound. So you need to make the product as simple as possible. So you need to get out of the mindset of electronics and think the perspective of the user. So that way your product can reach up to masses. There was a time when we have sorted everything out. We have done our market research, we have talked to peoples, we have made the perfect design for the product. But when it came for making a plastic casing for the product, we went to the plastic manufacturers. Then we came to know that we need a plastic mold. And let me tell you, plastic molds are crazy expensive. You may have to spend around 5 lakhs for a single case, and if you have done any mistake, then you cannot repair it, you have to make another one. So we had to do some jugaad. We went searching for an existing case which we can get, so we don't have to spend much money on the molds. We searched everywhere, and finally, after weeks of research and contacting people, we got the case. That was not exactly what we are looking for, but that got the things done, and the product was looking nice. Finally came the day we launched our product. We manufactured 500 Halox smart sockets and take it to the public using Amazon, Flipkarts, our own website, and using the word of mouth. But there were issues. There were a lot of issues. Power fluctuations, Wi-Fi issues. Users are not able to use the product properly because there were fewer instructions. Our app has glitches, and we found a lot of mistakes. And that was concerning at first, but we didn't stop there. We keep iterating the product. We gave software updates. We updated our app 200 times, literally 200 times. And now it came to a stage where the product started working perfectly and people are loving it. So there are problems. We had a lot of problems in the journey, but that doesn't stop us. Halox products are used in Indian homes and they are working perfectly, but that was not easy to make. Everyone loves the idea of startups, but it is not easy. It may fails you again and again, and you may have to stand up again and start working without any output at all. But if you believe in your idea, if you believe in yourself, you can do it. Startup will test you from every aspect, not just your skills, but your mindset, and in many other ways as well. But if you want to do it, make sure to study well, make sure to do your background research, make sure to do your market research, and most important, get some help. You cannot do it alone. Bring people in, make your team. If you have to ask for financial help, do it. So trust yourself, you can do it. And financially, the sponsors helped a lot indirectly. I used to make YouTube videos and use the sponsor money to fund this startup. So thank you a lot to the sponsors of this video as well. If you are serious about building your own product, I respect that and you should do it, but keep in mind these 5 brutal truths about startups. So this was my story, the story of Halox Stay Connected, which came out of RoboCircuits somehow. I hope you found this video interesting as well as inspiring. So like this video, share this video to the friends, and if you are new, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.